Aloha, welcome to Maui. We've just parked our car in the parking lot for Wailea Beach, and we're walking down to the beach. You'll see we'll be walking fast. This is hyperlapse video. We've speeded up the video so we can see all that we want to see in the least amount of time. There's 2 entrances down to the beach from here, and we'll take the longer one so we can walk more of the beach. Wailea is the major luxury resort destination on Maui. The average room rate at a hotel in Wailea in 2021 was $773 a day, plus 18% hotel taxes. The Grand Wailea and Four Seasons resorts overlook Wailea Beach. All beaches in Hawaii are open to the public. There are no private beaches in Hawaii. With most other beaches on Maui easier to get to than this one, most of the beachgoers you see at this beach are guests of the 2 resorts here. We walked onto the beach in front of the Grand Wailea, and are walking to the Four Seasons end. These canoes we're passing are the only watercraft on this beach that do not belong to the resorts. They are independent operators. All the kayaks and boards you see are rented out by the 2 resorts. That's the Four Seasons resort up there. We'll walk up that direction when we're done down here. All the umbrellas and everything else you see belongs to the hotel. Up ahead on that hill is Wailea Point. They are luxury condominiums, and prices start at over $2 million. On the other side of Wailea Point is Polo Beach. It is the last beach in Wailea. And beyond that is Makena. It is the last, and least developed coastline on Maui. It also has some of the most luxurious homes in Hawaii. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos just bought a nice oceanfront residence down there for $78 million.